guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video we will mix mint blue, semi-gloss, latex for concrete wall. Mint blue is a soft blue, green color. It's a light, vibrant shade made with blue-green and a lot of white. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon mint blue, semi-gloss latex paint. Let's start by adding small amount of acrylic color phthalo green on a 90% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Stir the paint well. Let's also add small amount of acrylic color, phthalo blue. We are more lighter. Let's add more acrylic color, phthalo green and phthalo blue, until we achieve the mint blue color. Stir the paint very well. Add more acrylic color, phthalo green and a little phthalo blue. It's almost mint blue. Let's just add small amount of acrylic color phthalo blue and phthalo green. Yes, we got the mint blue shade already. Mixing accomplished. Thank you for watching, guys.